torches burn. Hogwarts calls, the soul's return. Echoed spells through shadows roam. A world reborn, a second home. Through Tokyo's gate the dream ignites. The great hall glows with ancient lights. Wands are raised, the silence breaks. Every heart the fire takes. On 9 3/4 rails of flame, steam and destiny play their game. Beauty for travel walks the line between the mortal and divine. In alleys dark where lanterns gleam, each brick remembers, each breath a dream. Robes of night and whispers guide. Where magic flows, we step inside. Raise the glass, let legends cheer. Taste the call of butterbeer. Beauty for travel sings the skies with wonder shining in their eyes. Eternal towers, voices chime. Beast and visions intertwine. From Nerima's heart the tale will climb. A statue carved beyond all